5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow. 9 new monster trucks? He's got blue tires. He's an Easter truck. Yeah. So look at.
Yeah. A little bit of Easter.
Wow. That's lots of Easter egg trucks. Hey, where's our Easter eggs? Are they in our bucket?
Yeah. No.
Where'd they go?
I put it.
Where'd he put them? Did he hide them?
No.
We gotta find our Easter eggs.
I think about myself.
Oh my gosh.
Oh God.
I see something that the Easter Bunny did. Look up there. Look up there on top of your basketball. What did he do?
I put it.
He put King Crunch up there. What's King Crunch doing up there? That's so silly.
That's a ducky ball.
That silly Easter Bunny. You see any more?
No.
Look. You see any eggs?
No.
There's one.
Hey, son.
Put it in your basket.
Oh, goodness. This is an egg in there.
Put it in there. You see any more?
No.
We need 12 of them.
Oh, no. It's a hattie.
Yeah. Do you see any more eggs?
No.
Gotta look around.
Look around real good.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Tell Daddy where Easter Bunny put King Crunch. No, they'll fit up there, bud.
Yeah, put them in your basket.
Put it in your basket.
That's alright.
It's okay, put it in your basket. Go find some more.
Where else are eggs?
Go look around. Charlie sees one.
Can I see some?
Yeah. Did you hear Charlie? What's Charlie barking for? What's he want?
Whoa, whoa.
What does he want?
He wants to eat a treat, right? Can you
Let's look in the treats.
Can you go get him one? What's in there? Jurassic Attack. Ah, he hit him up there.
Can you get Charlie a treat?
What is that? There's an Easter egg in there. Good butcher. Okay, no more. Get your egg.
There's your egg.